Hi children, welcome to art and craft class. Children, in today's art class we are going to use the concept of best out of waste. So children, we have to keep in mind while doing this activity is that we should not purchase anything for doing this because the concept is best out of waste. The waste things, the waste paper, the used paper, whichever is available at home, you have to use those things only. Okay? The only required things here which we want is tape, Fevicol, stapler, scissors. Okay? And one of the important thing is you need this kind of boxes. Like this is, I have a Colgate Max Fresh box. It's a pack of 2 toothpaste. See, I have this kind of 2 boxes with me. This is important. If you're not having the same box, you can use any box which will be of this size or shape. Okay, see, both are from Colgate. I'm sure you can easily find this at home. Okay, so children, today we are going to make a pencil box with this 2 boxes. Okay, and the papers, the colors which I am using is not at all compulsory that you should use the same. You can use any color paper, anything which is available with you. Okay, let's begin. Children, today we are going to make a pencil box out of these boxes. If you have 1 box, you make with 1 box. I'm having 2, so I'm using 2 boxes. Okay, let's begin quickly. Children, what we have to do, one side already it will be packed, so let it be the same way. The other side, from where you have taken out the toothpaste, that side just you do like this and cut this much, because children, our pencils won't be so long, so when you keep the pencil, at least the top side of the pencil should be visible. So this much should be the size of your box. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to wrap it with the paper. I'm having papers here. See, as you can see, I'm using all the waste papers. I'm not using any new papers. I'm using all the waste papers. So with one of the paper, what I'm going to do, I'm going to wrap this. You know how to wrap? Like this, I'm going to wrap it using tape, cello tape. Okay. What we have to do? We have to use cello tape and stick this like this nicely, and when you are using scissors, be careful. Okay, like this we have to, how we wrap a gift, in the same way we have to wrap the box. One side will be closed, another side will be open. I'll show you how. Like this you have to wrap the box. See, this is the closed side, so we'll wrap it like this. Okay children, you can keep the tape ready. Like this you have to stick it at the bottom, and this you put inside. Okay, just like this. No need to put the tape. Just you can see your box is ready. On this box, children, we are going to make few flowers and stick it and decorate it. Okay, children, if you have 2 boxes of same size, I have 2 boxes but both are different in size, so I'm not using it. If you're having 2 boxes of same size, what you do, one you keep this one smaller and another like this bigger and stick it. Okay, it will look more beautiful. I'm having 2 boxes but both are different in size, so I'm using only one. So done till here. Now what we are going to do, we are going to decorate it. To decorate it, what we have to do, see, I'm using a waste paper here. I'm going to take a square shape out of it. Like this. You collect all the waste things at one place, whichever things you are having. See, I'm going to fold it like this. Okay, now I'm going to cut it, the flowers like this. Okay, It's getting too big, so I'm cutting it a bit smaller. Like this. When you open it, you can see our flower is ready. Wow, see. Like this, I'm going to make one more of different color. Here I'm using yellow. So I'm using yellow square here. Smaller than the previous one. Now what I'm going to do, I'll make one more flower out of it. The same way, like this. I'm going to cut the flower. Okay, now again open it. Wow, you can see again a flower is. This is smaller than the previous one. Like this, I'm going to apply some Fevicol here. I'm going to apply Fevicol like this and stick it. Okay, done. Now to make a circle in the middle, what I'm going to do, again I'm having some leftover foam sheet, glitter foam sheet. I'm going to make a circle of it. Children, whichever things you have with which you can decorate the box, surely you can use with your creativity. See, I'm using this small circle in the middle. Wow, see, this flower I'm going to stick on in the front of the box. Sorry, see, like this I have stick it. Now as I have few green color strips also, where are those? Okay, yeah, I have few green color strips here with which I am going to make a leaf. How to make a leaf? See, they are in this shape. What I am going to do, I am going to give them shape of a leaf. You can make anything of your choice, children. It's completely up to you, because the things which will be available with you, you have to use them. See, I have made 2 leaves out of it. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to stick it here behind the flower like this. 2 leaves. Wow! Like this, you have to make a pencil stand and keep on your study table. You can put your pencil, eraser like this, anything which you have with you. Okay, like this you can keep in it. Have fun, do it nicely and show your creativity. Bye bye.